So what we are going to do today, we are going to achieve one simple use case from the flow, the code triggered flow, and then we are going to achieve the same from the Apex trigger. So goal is you will achieve the same functionality from the Salesforce flow, but you are learning Apex trigger. So as a beginner, you are going to learn the same thing from trigger as well. And we're also going to discuss the logic building skills. Very basic requirement. Let's see here. We have one account that's called account name Motihari Meetup, and we have other details like website here. What I want as a business, suppose when new lead is going to create in my org, to put company here, Motihari Meetup. Okay, I'm not going to put website, I'm going to put last name. I'm going to click save. System should check, some background process should check if there is existing account in your org with the same company name, because you are also aware during lead conversion, when you convert the lead, then we create account with the company name. So here, what is the requirement? Find out the account with this company name. If account is found, then bring the website value to this website on the lead. Okay, let me write this requirement. When lead record is created and website is blank on lead, then update the website on lead I hope you are able to understand this requirement. Okay, so I can write like this. When lead record is created and website is not available on the lead, find existing account with company name, then bring the website and then update the website on lead. Okay, let's break it in different part. First thing, what we need to do, we need to, like, when lead is created, okay, we have record triggered flow, right? Record trigger spelling, sorry. Okay, and what it will do here, you have to update the website on lead, means you have to update the same record, right? If I'm going to create a lead, then I have to update the same record, means you have to take a call ki I will use before insert here. Okay, I mean before, in the flow I will choose before, and then find the account and then update the lead. I hope you are able to take a call. You need to do 4 things here. Let's go and achieve the same from record triggered flow. Okay, click on setup, flow, flows, new flow, here record triggered flow. Launch when a record is created, updated, or deleted. This auto launch flow runs in the background. Okay, so we are able to take a call record triggered flow because this requirement is when lead record is created. Okay, good. Let me choose create. Object. Which object? Lead object. Okay, a record is created. Okay, as of now I am only talking this requirement during record insert. when record is created, then I will choose record created. If I need an update, then update. If I need at both time, then I will go with created or updated. Or if something during deleted, then this. But here, very specific, we are talking only during create. So when lead record is created, set entry conditions. You can see the entry conditions here. As of now, we can choose a condition. Remember, website is not available on the lead. Means I am creating a lead and this website is not there. If user is entering some website, then keep that. If website is not there, then only find out the account with the same company name. Okay. And if available here, then bring the website. Okay. Means go to flow and here I can choose all conditions are made and I can add website is null. I request if you have question then ask, otherwise go muted. Okay, so here what I'm doing, website is null, true or false? Anyone, can you please text? What should I put here? Website is null, true or false? Please text quickly. Website is null, true. Yeah, good. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, my website is null. Yes, if website is null, then go next. And here you need to take a call. Fast fill update or related records. Here we have to update the same record. Update fields on the record that triggers the flow to run. The high performance flow run before the record is saved. This is also called before trigger. Okay, here we are going to update the same record lead which was cause of this flow triggered. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one. If you have to update some different record and if you have to perform some different action, then go there. But I am going with fast fill update. And here I want to give a quick message for this. See, this is good practice. In my example, I have only one specific use case. Then I'm just going to enter here. If website is null true, just think you have multiple condition based requirement. Okay, if website is null true, then do this requirement. If some different field has different value, then do some specific requirement. Then you will not use this condition. Okay, you will make it none, and in the flow you will add some different criteria. Just I want to keep a message here. Okay, but for my requirement I have very specific requirement, only simple requirement. So I am going with this website is null true, then go, then choose the fast fill update, then click done. Okay, now let's see, we are able to implement this one. Lead record is created and website is not available on lead. We have checked that. Now you need to find existing. Look here, we're able to choose this, we're able to choose this. Now find the account, right? Write this, if you are in the beginner phase, write in the same way so that you can take a call. Sorry, what is this? Then you can take a call. What you need to do, you need to find the account here, right? You need to find the account. So click on the plus symbol here, and for finding something in the flow, you have get records. Give a label, find account. Okay, find account. And here what we can do, object. Which object you need to find? Anyone? Please text. Just I want to see you are active really. Account. Yeah, very good. Yeah, you're active. Nice. We need to find account. Do you have any condition? Yes, we have condition. On the account, we need to check account name. Account name. Account name equal to company name on the lead. So here in the left hand side, fields from account name equals value. Here you have lead record. You can see record. This is record global variable, and this is giving you the same lead record who is the cause of this flow triggered. Okay, so I'm going to choose record dot company. See, just think, okay, I have to find the account where account name equal to lead company. Same thing, account name equals lead company. Okay, good. Now, do you need any specific order? You can define some order, maybe ascending, sort by some account number. If you feel maybe we have multiple records with the name, but generally the standard practice should be like you have one company, one account, by the way, right? If you have a clean data in your Salesforce org. So I can leave this, okay? Not sorted, that's fine. I'm assuming in my org, one name, like one company, one account. Okay, good. But you can state the order. Ordering means something you can choose ascending and descending and based on some specific field. Okay, but let's go with simple, not sorted. How many records you needed? Only the first record or the record. So here we are good with one record. Okay, just find out one account with the company name and take one record. So only one first record. Let's choose automatically store all fields. Okay, so these options are something, okay, Salesforce will take care for all those things. Here you need to choose some specific fields, what fields you needed. Here you can assign to a record variable, like something in a separate variable or in the together. But at the beginner level, I will suggest let's choose this. Okay, first one, automatically store all fields, but I will strongly recommend you explore these things also, because sometimes we take a call based on the requirement. Here I'm going with by default option, automatically store all fields. Now click done. Good. In the record trigger flow, we are able to find the account. Now we need to update the account, update the lead, sorry, update the lead. Okay, let's see. Plus updating the record. Here is just shortcut. Update triggering record. Yes, we have to update the same record who triggered this flow. Agree? We have to update the lead record. The same lead record was cause of this flow. Give a name, update the lead with website value. Okay. Is the lead record that triggered the flow? Yes, that's fine. Even you can see these are disabled because at the initial level we have already chosen fast, and here we have chosen record which cause of this trigger. So by default, record that triggered the flow. Here you can filter, you can add some logic. Okay, if some satisfying criteria, then only go ahead. Maybe if city is Motihari, then only update the lead. You can add the condition here, but in our requirement, we don't have any condition. Then directly you can see we are updating the lead and state field value. Which field you need to update? On the lead, we have to update the website. This is our requirement now. Let's go back, check the requirement, update the website on lead. So in the flow, what we can do, field website. Let me enable the spotlight. Okay, you can see here website and value. Find something here. See, record single variable account from find account. Remember, in the previous element we have taken one account and I have given name of that element find account. You can check. So it's coming, and I have also chosen, let's store the field value in the previous element. You can check. So account from find account means that account dot website. Our requirement is to bring the website from the account and put on the lead. So see, website on the lead equal to account.website. And now click done. Let's verify find account. Remember here, find account automatically holding the same. So we are able to assign website equal to website from account. Done. Let's save this. Here is save option. Update the lead with website. Okay. Description, you should add something in details, maybe some specific from requirement you can write. So later you can track why you have created this flow. Save this. Now you can debug this, but here I'm going to skip this. Directly I'm going to make it activate. You can try the debugging, but I will suggest, okay. But here I'm going to just activate because I have to cover trigger part as well. So I'm just skipping quickly. Activate. And let's go for quick testing. Okay, I'm going to create a new lead record, new lead with same name. Okay, for this projective test case, Motihari Meetup. So company name Motihari Meetup, last name Prakash. Okay, maybe email, and I am going to choose website blank. Okay, let me click save, and let's go to details, and you can see website automatically coming from where this Motihari Meetup company. It's finding in my account name Motihari Meetup, then taking the website and putting here. Let me check. Let me create another lead, new lead. Let me put demo here, company Motihari Meetup 123. Website is blank. Let me save. You can see website is not updated because I don't have any account with name Motihari Meetup 123. Anyone have confusion in this small record triggered flow use case? Please text here. Any question anyone have? Please let me know. Are you able to understand, right? No question. Okay, awesome. Thank you, Omsri, for replying. Good, very basic use case. Okay, I skipped the debugging part, but what you can do, click on debug. Okay, here you can choose one lead record. Maybe you can choose the demo record. Okay, let me choose demo record. Let me mark the company here, 123. Save it. Okay, demo record I have chosen, run. And here you can see how it's working. Everything, how it's started, then how it's finding, successfully found the record, then how it's updating. Okay, and because the flow ran in rollback mode, any changes, delete, modify record with rollback. But here you can see the lead record is ready to be updated when the interview finishes. So you can track from where, okay, it's going in the expected action or not. You can see website equal to this here. Okay, cool. You can convert to the test as well, like creating the test case. But here our goal is not, having details learning in this direction. Our goal is to covering the same use case in the trigger and flow. So let's quickly move to the trigger. I'm going to achieve the same thing from trigger. Okay. Any question, please ask. I'm waiting for 1 minute, then I will start the same logic implementation in the trigger. In case you are going to edit this flow, you are going to add some more logic, then of course, you need to save as. It will create a new version of your new changes. Then again, you need to activate that. Okay. Cool. No question, no question, no question. Okay, thank you for confirming, sir. So flow means point and click only. Yeah, very good question. So flow means, yeah, point, drag, drop, click. But this is a very basic example. You can implement lots of things here: assignment, decision, loop. We'll cover time to time, collection sort. But yes, insert, your answer is correct. Then someone is asking what is difference between oh, very good point, class and triggers. Okay, so Satya, I think you missed the previous session. No worry. Here Apex class means we are going to write our code there, our Java based, I can say similar to Java coding there, Apex code. Trigger is also in the trigger, in the Apex trigger, we are also writing Apex logic. But what is happening? Trigger is automatically going to run. When some DML will happen, Apex trigger will fire automatically. And from that Apex trigger, we are going to call some Apex class. So you ask difference between class and trigger. So here Apex class is holding our all the logic. Apex trigger just going to run automatically when some changes in the record is happening. I hope you are able to understand. What I will suggest, go through with some previous video where we have discussed much details about the Apex class and Apex trigger. I hope I am able to answer, Satya. If not, please let me know. I will give some quick example again. Okay, awesome. Thank you. So just Apex trigger, something is automated, some code is going to execute automated, but here in the Apex trigger also we are writing our Apex logic. Okay. So someone replied, Ravi, yes, flow is declarative approach, low code, no code approach. Very good to get the business logic executed. Yes. Nice. Okay. So now let me deactivate this flow. Okay. So how can we deactivate this flow? Let me go back. You know, you think why I'm going to deactivate this flow? Because I'm going to achieve the same logic from trigger, but here this should be achieved from flow itself. Where is my flow? Update the lead with website. If you click here, then you have option to view details and versions. Then here what you can do, you can see my previous version is active. Deactivate, click deactivate here. Means now if you will create the record with the Hari meetup, it will not bring the website. Okay. So now let's go for trigger. Again, what we need to do, we need a trigger. We need to before insert, right? You are able to take a call before insert, and we need to find the account. We need to update the lead. Okay, let's check how we can achieve quickly. Let me open the lead trigger. We have already existing lead trigger from the past, right? Lead trigger. And we already have here, good thing is that we have already something in the before insert we need to go. So earlier we have created this blog. I hope you have attended the previous session. If not, then recording is available. Trigger.age before and trigger.age insert means before insert. And if you are able to take a call, we need to write the logic here. If you are not able to take a call, please text. I will explain. When lead record is created, then we need to find out the name of the company on the account, and then we need to bring the website. So here we have lead trigger handler and one method update phone on lead is insert. Let me check what is happening. here we are already achieving some logic from the past, right? We are updating phone fields with some different condition. Okay. Before touching this, let me create a new method, okay? And later we will merge that. Let's create a new method, okay? Public static void update company, okay, like this. And we know it will accept list of lead, LST lead already here. I can give the same name like this. And here leads are coming. Then think it might be possible one lead are created, or maybe multiple leads are getting created, right? So we need to think for the bulk here. Let's use for loop. Why for loop? Because we have multiple list. Let's type colon, then paste here, and lead obj lead record. Okay. What we need? We need all the company from the all the lead records, right? So here in the previous session, you learned we have set, and that can hold the unique names. So I can create a set of string. If you missed the set session, I will strongly recommend go ahead, watch that. Set of string, set company names equal to new set of string. Why this set? Because we need to hold all the company dot add company coming from lead. Any confusion, please text. And we are able to take the all the company lead company name in this set. Now our expectation was find the account. For finding the account, you know, we have list of account, LST account equal to, you have a SQL query, select website from account, where name on the account name field, name in this company name. I think I have discussed this thing in details in previous session. Please ask if any confusion what I am doing. Select website from account where name in, right? Set of company name. Well, now we are able to find out. Now we need to enable this update on the lead. So what we can do here, just think. We need somehow this logic again. We need something like this. Because we don't have one lead, we have multiple lead. So we need for loop. And we need something like this. Obj lead record dot website on the lead website equal to, we need to write here tech website from account. And here just you need to think the logic again. See, we have multiple account here. And this list of account is holding the website. Getting it? This list of account is holding the website. And here you have list of lead. And you need to bring the website from that list here. What we need to do here? If you think carefully, it's very easy to put a for loop here. Okay, for loop here. Then iterate the list of account and then check if account name equal this lead company, then do this assignment. But I will not suggest to put the for loop inside for loop. Then just think what we can do. And if you look on the current skills from the previous session, it should come in your mind automatically. Can you text someone if you're thinking what we can do here? I want to check how active you are. What should we do here? At line number 11, I want to introduce something. Who will text me in the chat? Quickly, please. What should I bring here? I need the requirement. We have list of account, means this list of account is already holding the website, right? And we have list of lead. We need to bring the website from account to my lead based on the company name on the lead and name on the account, right? Means if I can write name here, find out name also. Okay, find name website from account, means in this list of account, just think I'm repeating again and again and I'm waiting for your text. List of account is holding the account name and also holding the website like this. Motihari Meetup. In the list of account, I have this account name Motihari Meetup and this website here in this list of account, right? This list of account is holding account A, means this account, and it's already holding this name and this website. This lead is already holding the company name, right? And we need to bring the website. What we can implement? Who is texting here? Okay, I got a message. If account name, okay, very good point. But you have mentioned, let me copy what I got in the text. You mentioned we need to write like this: list of account dot name equal to lead assignment like this. No, we can't access something directly from list of account, right? You can't access something directly from list of account. You need a for each loop to get something from list of account, right? Similar to this. Anyone? Can you please text? Anyone, please go ahead. No matter how, if you are experienced or fresher, please text. Quickly. Oh, very good. Very good. I wanted this. Use a map. Thank you. Thank you. Use a map. See, map. We discussed earlier that map hold the key value pair, and here is the best use of map relations. See, I am repeating again and again. Lead record is holding the company name, and this account is also holding the name, and this is common finding here. Okay, on the account name and on the lead company name, both are common, and we need to bring the website from account to the lead. Yes, let's use a for loop on the account. Very good. List of account obj account record, and here let's create a map of string. This is the region I have already covered list map set earlier, right? You can think when we need set, we can think when we need a map string map of, give some good name, map of company to website equal to new map of string. We have already session with map. Now here you can prepare the map data. Okay, how? Let's see. Map dot put. In the map session we have covered this. Hey, bring the obj account record dot name, company name. This is company name, right? And dot what? Website. Yeah. like this. And for some betterment, you can also do one thing here, account where name in this, you can add one more logic, and website is not null. Okay, on the account website is not null, you can add here the logic. Okay, but that's fine. I have now leave this. I hope you are able to understand. We are able to prepare a map, and now here go in the assignment, take website from account. Yes, map dot get. See carefully. Are you able to understand? You should understand every line here. See what I am doing. For loop on the list of record, list of lead, obj lead dot website equal to map dot get lead dot company. See, yeah, it will find in the map. Hey, if this company here, okay, give me website. Good. Here, check for the better practice. I can say here if map company to website dot contains key this. Okay, you can add that. Just for learning, I'm passing you. Okay, it's a good practice to check. Okay, if your map already contains key, then take map dot get this. You're assigning here. Okay, let me save this. Let me deploy this. Now, if you call this update company from here, then it will work. Your functionality is achieved, but there is a problem. This update phone on lead insert is already using one for loop. Then I will call this update company. It is also using for loop on the same thing. So why not? Let's merge these both method in one method. Okay, let's see what I can do. This is my original method. Then what I can do, I can copy entire logic from my new method. Let me delete this. Let me come back here, paste here. Okay, and you can see here repeated code. So now I can move this inside this. I can delete this. Okay, let me deploy this. Cool, deployed. And why not? Let's change this as well. Update phone on lead is insert. No, let's give this name. Is before insert. Okay, save this because name was very specific. Name was update phone on lead, but good thing is that we are also updating website here, right? So I've given name is before insert. Deploy. I can call the same from here. Let me deploy. Deployment failed because I can see line number. Let's look what's wrong. 10. Okay, I think last time just we have not deployed our changes. Just I have explained you very quickly. Let me this one remove. Okay, cool. Let me deploy now. Earlier I have just typed something here. Okay, this is now also deployed. Let's go and check our logic. It's working fine or not. Let me create new lead record with same name, Motihari Meetup. Okay. And website is blank. If my trigger will work fine, website should come. See, this is coming. And it's coming from this account. My logic is working fine, right? And You should also verify previous logic should also work fine. Let's verify that. Let me create new account. New lead, new. Let's give a company. Okay, Harry meetup. Put the phone number something. Save it. Phone number should be copied to the mobile number. Mobile number should copy to phone number, existing functionality, our new functionality. So this way you are able to check, okay, this method is previous functionality is also working, my functionality is also working. We are also not introducing two for loop. Two for loop means once I will call another method from here, that will also call one for loop. Any confusion in understanding this, please text anyone. If not, then I can say, okay, we are able to achieve the very simple requirement with help of record trigger flow. We have deactivated that flow. We also achieved the help of this flow, this trigger. Okay, I will just think a similar use case from yourself now and start implementing the same from the flow and same from the trigger. Okay, and if any confusion, we can discuss.